but strong. We're Rwano here in this Mahi. Together we rise with smiles on our face. Okay, goodbye. Kotahitanga, yeah, that's our vibe. In Lata we thrive, side by side. Feeling the kaha, feeling the aroha. Together we soar like the beat Fadaroa. In our Akamanga, we're a mighty team, working together, living the dream. We learn and grow with mana and pride. In Lata we stand, never divide. Mainga Maunga, kita moana. We embrace our Kotahitanga with Matua Ben and Fire Lu. In Lata there's nothing we can't do. Kotahitanga, yeah, that's our vibe. In Lata we thrive, side by side. Feeling the kaha, feeling the aroha. Together we soar like a beat Fadaroa. Courtney Simon's a teacher so grand. In her class learning's always in demand. With a smile and a heart full of cheer, she inspires her students year after year. Kotahitanga, yeah, that's our vibe. In Lata we thrive, side by side. Feeling the kaha, feeling the aroha. Together we soar like a beat Fadaroa. Here's to us, the Rata crew. With Aroha and Wadawa we'll see it through. Together we stand, together we play. In Lata we shine every single day. Kotene, hey.